So hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. In today's video I want to show our unboxing of the brand new DJI Mavic Mini 2 and what comes in the box and what you can expect if you do purchase this particular drone. We're excited to have just recently purchased and received our particular unit. We will be having this drone for a long-term review, maybe 6 to 9 months, possibly even a year. As of right now, our first impressions with the drone are excellent. It's definitely a pocket-friendly, easy to use, excellent flying, very stable drone. But in this particular video, I just want to show you a quick unboxing of what you can expect if you do happen to pick up this particular drone. So with that out of the way, let's get into the unboxing of the new DJI Mavic Mini 2. Okay, watch this. Okay, so on screen right now, you're going to be seeing me with the original box that DJI sends out. I do want to say before we get into this particular section, I do have a hard time actually opening this box later in the video. So you will definitely see me struggling to open this box. We did not bring the proper gear. We were out in the field right before we did our first flight with this new product, and I was not familiar with how to open this particular box. It's definitely different from other models, so I got a little bit confused there. So just let you know that you'll see me struggle here for maybe 30 seconds or so. But once we get past that, we can get into the exciting sections of the internal contents of the box. And we'll also do a walkthrough a little bit of the drone, what it looks like. You know, that was right. Well, I don't know. Damn
Maybe the other side?
They're gonna see me struggle. What the top of the drone is right there. Oh, it's this. Okay. So we can just cut that out there. Now here we are. This is how the drone is presented. DJI locks in the propellers. They also add a couple of safety pieces of tape to ensure the propellers do not get damaged during transport. There's also a couple of annotations that are labeled on tape on the drone as well that you'll definitely want to remove before actually flying. They're just warnings and cautions, safety notes, things of that nature. By default, they do put on the gimbal protective housing, and they also include a piece of tape basically that keeps it steady so it doesn't come undone and cause the gimbal to get damaged during transportation. That's what the housing looks like. It fits on there pretty snugly.
I don't think you have to put it. That's just protection.
Yeah, well, it's a protective housing. Now let's get into the contents of the box. Here in the box at the bottom, you'll find the RC controller. I'll take out the RC controller right now, and then we can go over what the design of the RC controller looks like. Awkward. Okay, and now I'm taking out the RC controller. You'll notice that you have a phone mount on top right here that pulls out. Inside of that phone mount as well, that fits probably, I would say, 7-inch phones. Probably the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra would definitely fit in there with a case, no problem. I'm using the iPhone 10 myself. You'll also notice that the sticks are on the bottom of the controller. There's a natural housing location for the sticks right there that makes the overall controller more portable, and that also prevents you from losing the actual sticks for the RC controller. Right there are just some extra cables, micro USB and USB-C. By default, DJI includes and installs the Lightning connector for this particular product. But outside of that, outside of the footage you guys just watched, the only other bonuses that are included are going to be the instruction manual. I do want to say the instruction manual doesn't really give you a lot of insight on how to set up the drone. It is very, very bare bones. Outside of that, there's a lot more cautions and flight safety tips. There are some other booklets as well that are covering other languages. That basically covers the main contents of the box. Now, we did not purchase the Fly More combo with this particular product. Instead, we just got the Mini 2 as it is without getting the Fly More combo. I did today pick up an extra intelligent flight battery so that we can extend our flight time past 22 minutes to 45-ish or so minutes, maybe 50 minutes depending on how we're flying. But we still chose not to get the Fly More combo. We just wanted one extra battery rather than getting everything that's included with the Fly More combo. That is definitely a great option if you do want some of the accessories that are included with that particular package. It will definitely save you money if you're already thinking about those accessories. That's why that bundle's ultimately there, but it's definitely an option. We chose not to purchase that. But I hope you found this unboxing insightful. We will also be showcasing very soon our first flight with this particular product. You'll see some test footage, and that will be in 4K resolution. Definitely encourage you, if you have a 4K capable device, to check it out in 4K as well. And you can also see the flight dynamics, but overall, our first impressions with the device so far are excellent. It's incredibly fast, it's responsive, it's incredibly smooth. We have a lot of testing to do in terms of configuring the settings internally on the Fly app, but we will go through that process and we'll get some settings out and we'll do a future video on that. But I hope you found the unboxing insightful. I hope that you also have some better insight on what you actually get if you just get the base model of the drone without getting the Fly More combo, and you can see what's included in that packaging. But there you have it, my friends. There is our unboxing of the brand new DJI Mavic Mini 2. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or feel like we've overlooked something over the course of this video, let me know in the description box down below. Also, if you have any suggestions and things that we should test and specifically do content around on this particular drone and this particular product, please let me know in the comments as well. We will put those videos in queue and we'll get those videos edited and recorded for you. Also, while you're down in the description box down below, we've launched a new brand called pxpresets.com. PX Presets is going to be your next one and only stop for Lightroom presets until we launch Photoshop and other platform presets. But here you can find both desktop and mobile presets to get you started in a variety of different mediums more powerfully and upgrade your imaging and take your images to the next level. That link to pxpresets.com will be in the description box down below. Please check that out if you're in the market for some exciting Lightroom presets. But until next time, my friends, I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We'll see you in the next video.